Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and payment readiness. Make sure your Apple Watch is updated and paired to your iPhone because the phone manages cards. Next, add a supported transit or contactless card to Wallet on your iPhone. Once the card is authorized, it appears on your watch. Once done, open Watch Settings and enable Express Transit for that card so you don't need Face ID or passcodes at gates. This saves time and prevents delays when entering or exiting the MRT system. Now you configure and rehearse the actual tap. On your iPhone's Watch app, go to Wallet and Apple Pay and select Express Transit for the card you added, because it prioritizes that card at the reader. Next, practice the motion. Raise your wrist and place the center back of the watch flat against the card reader for a fraction of a second. Make sure to feel or hear the chime and check the reader's green light so you know the watch is recognized before entering a busy gate. When you actually ride, tap briefly with the watch face toward the gate reader. Quick contact is enough and keeps lines moving. If the gate declines you, first make sure the watch battery isn't critically low and that the card hasn't been suspended or expired, because those are common causes. If problems persist, restart the watch and recheck wallet settings. Alternatively, use your physical EZ-Link or stored value option on your phone to avoid delays. One key tip: if in doubt, step aside to troubleshoot so you don't hold up commuters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.